There's a storm moving in, so it'll be here soon. So I want to get a little bit of just roaming around through the forest while I can. Ozo is keeping me company. He's such a cute dog. And there's a deer. I don't see the deer now. There's a big deer that was over here. So this is called the Black Forest. And it's because when these trees get wet, they turn black. So we're in the Black Forest. And there's supposed to be an old hitching post that still exists out here somewhere by the creek that leads to the little pond that I'm going to try to find. I know you want me to throw it. Okay, here I go. Go get it. Oh, you're such a sweetie, aren't you? He's so cute. Okay, go get it. Yeah. Good job. Come on. Come on, let's just keep going. There's a birdhouse up there. But isn't it beautiful? Oh, I'm getting all tangled. Oh, look! Is that your bone? Is this yours? Is that your bone? Is it yours? No. Sticks are way better. I'm with you, buddy. I would agree. Sticks are way, way, way better. Good job. Good job. Okay, come on. All right. So we're going to venture way out here. I'm going to, oh, starting to get raindrops on me. There's the deer. Can you see the deer? She ran through the thicket. She was like right there. I stumbled upon her, scaring her out of her wits, poor thing. So, oh, maybe that's it right over there. There, I can see there's a bar that goes across there. Oh, it's starting to rain. Yeah, they were saying that they've been getting hail every single afternoon, and it's been 2-inch hail doing all kinds of damage. Oh, there she goes. Look, look, look. Hey, baby. Hi. Hello. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, hi. Hello. You're welcome to join us. Come on. Let's go explore together. Oh, she's actually coming up. She's getting closer and closer. You can join us. Come on, we'd love to have you. Come on. Yeah, you can come. Come join us. Oh, she's so close. Maybe she was a little too close. Oh, look. Oh, okay, well, we're heading over that way. Come on, Ozo, let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Up you go. So, looks like there's a road here. Okay, so she's just running. She's going back and forth and back and forth. She's definitely curious. You can come. Come on. Come on, baby. Ozo, what are you doing? Oh, you found that big stick. You found that big one. Yes, you did. Okay, go get it. Oh, did you get barking down in your throat? Okay. I mean, there's a fence line, so I don't think I'm supposed to go past that. Look at her. Look. This is so cool. They said the deer was really sweet. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. Look at those big ears. Florida deer do not have ears like that. All right, I'm getting pretty wet. I think I might have found the end of the property line. I can't just go over those like you can. She's like, come this way. I'll show you where the water is. Come this way. I wish I had food for her. Come on. She'll come follow us. We'll go this way and she'll catch up. You're so cute. How do you fit between the trees? Yeah, I'm not gonna throw it. Come on. Is she following us? She's still back there. Do you see her? She's watching. And I'm getting pretty wet, so I'm going back to the van. Come on, Ozo. Sea level girl, I'm feeling the altitude. I think it's like 7 or 8, 9? I think it's 8. I don't know. 8,000 feet, which isn't that bad. See, a little swing. Definitely getting wet. There she is. See, look. She's following as we walk. So is she. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Are you coming? Are you coming? Come on. Come on. All right. Well, that was fun. Where is she now? Oh, there she is. She is. Yes. You're okay. All right, I'm gonna close this out. We all know it's beautiful here.